I'm Stephen Fleenor, and I want to show you how to do the Uncover the Picture activity with Google Slides. I've got a Visual Non-Glossary warm-up slide for enzyme inhibitor, and I'm going to sequentially uncover more and more parts of this visual using a simple tool, and that is just adding in a shape. I can add in a rectangle using this button right here if I go to Shapes and then Rectangle, or I can go to Insert, Shape, and I'll click on a rectangle. So I'm going to do this several different times on this visual. So I'm going to add a shape right here. Let's say I'll add a big rectangle like this to cover most of the visual. And I'm going to do this again. Insert, shape, rectangle. And I'm going to cover all of this part, including half of this text right here. I'm going to cover up part of this text to see if students can guess what this text is that I'm covering, partially covering up. I'm going to insert another shape, another rectangle, maybe to cover this bottom part. And then finally I'll insert one more rectangle. Right here, let's say. Okay, so there's two different ways to uncover this visual. One is a harder way, and that is to add animations or transitions where these rectangles disappear. The easier way is just to copy this slide and paste it after the previous one. Pardon me, you have to do Control V to paste this slide. And on this next slide, I'm going to change these rectangles. I'm going to move this rectangle down, maybe like that. I'm going to move this rectangle over. I'm going to go ahead and delete this rectangle. And this rectangle I'm going to move to maybe like this, something like this. And now that I've exposed this part, maybe I don't want this part exposed, I only want this part exposed. So I'll just add in another rectangle here. I'm going to add in a rectangle right here. And maybe I'm happy with this text right here being exposed. So here's my second exposure. I can do this one more time, or I can do it two more times. I'm going to show you doing it one more time. Again, I'm going to copy this slide, Control and V to paste it. And now I'm going to remove all of these rectangles. And on the side here, we see what do you notice and what do you wonder. You can obviously edit this text, and maybe we'll just have the students sharing that with their partner. The first two times I do this, I like to ask the same questions. What do you notice and what do you wonder? But the last time, I might actually, I'm going to cut out this what do you notice text, and I'll keep the what do you wonder, but then I like to add what surprises you. Again, Control V. One thing that surprises you. And then I'll change the sentence stem here. Surprise me because. And again, this can be something that they write down, or it can be something that they share with their partner. And what's going to happen from the student's perspective is they're going to see just this, then they'll see a little bit more, then they'll see the full image. And we can go through 2 or 3 different rounds of structured conversations where they're talking with their partner about what they see in this image.